Welcome to Great Garden. Do you want your orchids to go from looking like this to looking like this? Make sure to watch the entire video. Today, I'll reveal a super simple organic fertilizer recipe that uses only familiar ingredients from your kitchen, something anyone can easily make. After applying it for a period of time, I started to see truly impressive results. Strong, healthy roots that are bright white leaves turning greener, smoother, and glossier. Flower spikes and buds blooming evenly, and at the same time, forming clusters of flowers that last longer and look far more vibrant than with traditional growing methods. Let's get started. Tea is the ingredient I use to make organic fertilizer for plants. Tea contains many antioxidants, polyphenols, and tannins, which provide natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, help reduce pests and diseases, and support healthier plants with greener, glossier leaves. I put 2 tablespoons of tea into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water so the active compounds in the tea can dissolve quickly. Then, let the solution steep for about 1 hour so that the beneficial nutrients and compounds in the tea are fully released. While waiting, I'd like to share a small tip with you. That is to water the plant before applying fertilizer. To prevent your orchids from experiencing root shock when absorbing the nutrient solution, the root system should be moistened beforehand. When the growing medium is sufficiently moist, the roots will wake up, become more flexible, and be ready to absorb nutrients more safely and effectively. Pre-watering also helps the fertilizer distribute evenly throughout the growing medium, reduces the risk of root burn, and creates favorable conditions for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. This is a simple step, but brings significant benefits, especially important for weak orchids, plants lacking vitality, or those that haven't been fertilized for a long time. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After 1 hour, we strain out the residue and keep only the liquid extract. This liquid is a natural, gentle yet mineral-rich nutrient source that helps plants recover quickly and grow steadily. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. That's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, pour the prepared rice water solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each leaf surface of the orchid. As you wipe, the solution helps remove dust, mineral residues, and buildup on the leaves, while the nutrients from the rice support quick recovery, leaving the leaves greener, smoother, and healthier looking. Be sure to wipe both the upper and underside of the leaves so the nutrients can be absorbed evenly, helping the leaves photosynthesize better, strengthen resistance, and reduce pests and diseases. This method should be done 1 to 2 times per week and is especially effective for orchids with dull leaves or those that haven't been cared for in a long time. Method 2. I use rice combined with tea to make fertilizer. Rice contains B vitamins, minerals, and starch, natural nutrients that help stimulate root growth, restore weak plants, and keep the leaves healthy and green. I put 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Then stir well so the rice begins to release starch and natural nutrients. This step helps release B vitamins, minerals, and starch from the rice grains, creating a gentle, easily absorbed nutrient solution for the plants. Finally, strain out the solids and keep only the liquid extract. I will combine it with the tea solution prepared earlier. Then add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. First, I pour the diluted tea and rice solution into a dedicated watering container. Then gently water around the base of the orchid, so the solution slowly soaks into the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb the nutrients directly. Tea and rice contain many vitamins, minerals, and natural organic nutrients that support strong root development, promote thick white roots, and enhance the plant's resistance. You should water once a week. When the plant has stabilized, reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain nutrients. Be sure to water just enough and avoid waterlogging so the growing medium remains well aerated and the roots can absorb nutrients most effectively. In addition to orchids, you can also use the rice water and tea solution to water peace lilies. Gently water around the base of the plant. This solution helps supplement natural nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, stimulates healthy root growth, boosts resistance, and supports the even development of new shoots and young growth, keeping peace lilies lush with fresh leaves and strong overall health. The appropriate watering schedule is once a week, then reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition. Method 3. Pour the rice and tea solution into a dedicated spray bottle, then lightly and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and even the leaf axils, areas where bacteria and fungi tend to accumulate. Misting helps the organic nutrients, vitamins, and natural minerals from the rice, combined with the beneficial compounds in the tea, distribute evenly over all parts of the plant. As a result, the plant is nourished uniformly, forms a natural protective layer, helps inhibit bacteria and mold, and reduces the risk of pest attacks. At the same time, the solution helps make the leaves greener and glossier, enhances photosynthesis, promotes metabolic processes, and supports healthy, balanced growth from roots to leaves. You should apply this once a week during the first month, so the plant can absorb nutrients most effectively. Once the plant becomes stable and healthier, you can reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term nourishment and protection. After misting the orchid, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can absorb the nutrients optimally. After 15 minutes, if there is still water left on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it away with a soft cloth or clean cotton. This step is very important because standing water for too long can create favorable conditions for fungal growth. Once the leaves are wiped dry, you actively prevent harmful factors, reduce the risk of leaf rot and crown rot, and help the orchid remain healthy, with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. I'll pour the remaining solution into a clean plastic bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Under these conditions, the solution can be used effectively for about 3 to 5 days. When needed, simply take the solution out, pour it into a spray bottle, and mist it evenly over the plants in your garden. The nutrients from turmeric powder and rice, rich in vitamins, minerals, and organic starch, remain stable, making them easy for plants to absorb, supporting strong root development, boosting resistance, and helping the leaves become greener and more resilient. After that, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. After 2 months of consistent care, the results are truly surprising. The orchid leaves are now deep green, thick, and glossy. The new leaves are full of vitality and photosynthesize more efficiently, helping the plant remain healthy and stable. The root system has developed noticeably, with thick white roots firmly anchoring to the growing medium. Water and nutrient absorption has improved significantly, providing a strong foundation for both newly planted orchids and mature ones. Flower spikes and buds appear evenly, strong and sturdy, ready for vibrant, fresh, and eye-catching blooms. The buds are large, brightly colored, and long-lasting, with flowers blooming successively, bringing a sense of vitality and joy every day. These results show that with proper care and enough patience, anyone can grow healthy, naturally beautiful orchids that bloom brilliantly. This is truly a well-deserved reward for the love and dedication given to the plants. Enjoy the joy that comes from caring for your orchids every day. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to join Great Garden in our upcoming videos. Goodbye, and see you again in the next video.